anya ndisi for afekra ne MPP eba membo mu amangasa ya we sene joma ama no atimi ka MPP dia lawyer for ne ndisi for de makola for no e da ho clear sa membo papa de eno anu ni patriotic party na bebi ampempen so bi nkofo bi person de party no kokodro na me ka che delegate for say mu ni na mo hwade yi na odi abahye fom a opese odua de na odi aba ne hye fom aba ne pro ansa na afefe na benyini dynamics no sesa. There's a paradigm shift with the new patriotic party connected no a dan nyina na akwakoye akamfo nkwan na o se di party nenim no wiase na dane enema sesa dan nyina me ka kyerem se Barack Obama e bibini bedi American president ya na o to se wiase na dane and over New York City a new mayor wo ho no oye Muslim aye wo ni Zimbabwe a obetra America ne wa be mayor and amanfo anu dem wo New York ne America pinteminte ekoso onyasem ketwa ebi na ekoso MPP party ni no. There's a paradigm shift across the globe. And the UK incremofo agikru na fa enema esesa we are na edane metrics, we are in the metrics, it is ending. And kofobi etumi ana ekuta won asase so on de ditumi no every nason e free won sa tumi die no. The new world order no, it is leaving America soon, it is going somewhere else. Africans so be powerful. Enti munti ase se ne ekoso MPP party no shift na abo bi obewu opre sanetie tumi die ni free ye nyina akamfo ni bi, but the reality is what I'm talking about. A free ya kingdom nimu e move ko a different system. And na nkofo bi face there bi tumi die de identity nyina o se we yensem e free yensem de ayem pene nti ene gidigidi ne ntokwa ne ye esipen sanetie nti nya de foforo eti mo bia ye mo nhihye no MPP party ne gina ho pintin ento formuda na opa MPP party nyansafo na ti yo bugufo na kukudam na ti MPP party no eti basa ne kasa ba no jese party ne beto form 79 BC ya tro opposition 30 years party na ngu esamba power 2000 be G2me ya sa G2me eti nya de foforo ti mo bia ye mo nhihye no kan Japan no oyo aye di petrol gu no so be presa of obebre ni etwanity ni esie no ewie Kennedy, a catcher to me, dear news, ni a warning, simple, sikine, and homa. Ninajina Bamuba Miachi. The catcher, what I said. Go help it to tackle me and Ganjero, say party near the Abetia Bedianim. O more juicy KD, how much as almost comes over a party near Dadao. Untima me party leader, ne, untima party leader, Chinada. And see that. Na fiso tunfo se tutu oti akonya so ne ofa se adacho ba bedi na de odi nanim ye fom no tietie tunfo ni mu afisa akonya ne be ma no odi nidie ne se fatana de amapani oti akonya so ansa na ya dane de amawo awutimi nya kuduro kaseti akufaru edie dede kufaru will give you a showdown there's a wo abetri na wo abetri si akufaru wo ya stop si akufaru Ghana Chrome ha record na da akufaru asset no the Japan set TBO. I'm telling you, in your dispensation, it is not a military rule, democratic rule, and a question na we are kaka pensam. Kufa do bresono, champon no na soja sem. Satan na kufa do chene bobre. Pema pa no bia edinga na kuruma. Sabre na kufa do jitina say yes me no. Achenkwa no. Nyo size no. It will level no nya botre. Kre Japan o dede na ho ye betima ye bi. Ana maka che enye soja memu mu ni o. Democracy ne ye wono ti no. Obi atimi pege na beti ye ne ope. Ebrana Kufuado kasa na soja fo na ru Ghana na etuo democracy bia ni ho lawyer bia ni ho sa bren ne kasa ye hia mema na mema pia do danko Kufuado no record na wa ye no ono ye ditumi ni ma no kro obadwu ye boko eju dede na wo ye Ghana kro mu na wa sore no wa soja si MPP party na wa MPP party ni titi no ye ka kire play oboa. You lie bad. Yes, as far as and so far as some of us live it. No Yankopon Tiasia and Rambosum Yanagira Chido. Japan. Uchu Muta MPP party, Untima Bay leader. Hey, proxy voting now Mokan will be Antumuna. Ghana for Tikuruma and so better ban or 20 hours. Because not touching our government do it in was somebody dear Santaphonic Ratem, someone table of na dia nti na MPP ko yi na po ya Asante ni be running mate nti na yen kranfo na yan to aba na MPP no wabeka na to shira babo nti abeka se na po na mu yi ni fi Asante me be running mate no nti na yen kranfo na yan to aba no nti na no san di kan Japan achi ye campaign man dia na to je mo delegate for na mo Asante mom no se won ti ya me ka kire mo monti ya ye ka kire mo de hunu keke ni nsem hunu ansem fata party akukudam ababa gina party mu aye MPP party na mana ya akono ama obi a school a ni inspiration ya onya fi MPP party ni empanifo ntino o school nyina onum so owie no ba crash na o join political party bia MPP no ko join Haruna Idris no ku de to abla kwa no ni Sam George nya na omonya test convo because that party na akono crash fo akukudam so akufo adom no je akufo nom akmo so agima nom je champion nom je chimensa mo say yes. The competition, ideas, intellectual discussions, and then koso. And now they show down, and now we show down, and now we say, and we become, and we say, "Kwasi asem." A boy dry ever party, man. I can't be party yet.
You are making my day.
Because you are bored, I'm wrong. Who be party? What you say? Japan. Do you
understand the new party? What to bomb?
You think it is a stupid party? United Party front busy and need abayanim party Ghana, Africa and the world talks about Kwame Nkrumah being an intellectual and a strong person, you know. The New Patriotic Party then, which is the UP party, you know, was the opposition and battling somebody like Nkrumah. And you think the MPP party and Nkrumah party, do you know when the party started? The party has been a formidable front in the realms of politics, and yet right from the Aborigines, from the UGCC straight up to UP, ably formed by the NLM, and then the MPP of the Northern People's Party, and the UGCC. And the party from
1849 to now.
It's an opportunity that people had given you, Japan, to be part and parcel of the New Patriotic Party. It's an opportunity. Yani de ma on man na waye nipa onya hu sikadi aya nipa uwia now san 13 party no betray party no unya microphone na di atem as delegate mo am go to aba ma Justin Kolua na da ye ko to aba ye ka kire mo se mo fa tribalism to chan ni en to aba mo bi obetimi handle party as general secretary because na say mo mark o ma ya to na nya nkora mark wo hwe dambotwe mo mark na o ma ya to as general secretary na nya easy. Into your catch them fan ton Chinese tomorrow be tough because you becoming the general secretary of the party, automatically you are the chief executive officer. Into your no masses who distribute to be in one center. But when the pivot is weak, everything is crashed. And Timufa Kodi Anton Chena, he cannot do the job. We told you, must the bidder and a party and then young for being on free and then you play the tribal card that you brought Kodia. John Bodu as general secretary general radio no na say doing Katia Batara. What you say yes, and in the phone Shiano. How many times did you hear Kodia stand on radio talking about MPP? And then the progress of MPP. How many times? He cannot talk, he has no aura, he has no power over words. Ujani Penino Kasakura to me be a near tree. Nesmo Bekan, it doesn't go viral. A whole general secretary of the New Patriotic Party. You sit down for MPP for the new for Japan to bully you off. Now, if it's a general secretary, and I touch an general secretary, can Japan bet my yen and questions more. And the delegate moving me to your home. I tell them we had the same boon in a day. You know, one answer, you should know when say, best I could be a gum. Kodia is not fit, and when you're ding, we need 2 minutes when you're strong. In Penifoni, I think a man opportunity in Wababijana, as you who's so intimate, humanity is bigger than his prowess. What to me? Sir John Ohan can question when see. That's the reality. The Japan supporters, nobody is scared of you people. Up na was no. Uko be up so na discussion because so ultimately say difference, vast difference. The be a grass sem na come na moyo. Jimmy Sem and away free and away say ni na ufri. Una uye de na obi free and na ufri. Eti some delegate for mo money na ho ne wiase na da na asesa. Ghana for bumpy before check we are tribalistic a brass so see a bees attack in the free home name children and ranting and maba one area school and so omonya konobia my new patriotic party because obinya kenina so 17 years now he's growing hearing such information about new patriotic party is a party where a tribalistic and yana kono crown wa bejuani party you just switch to the NDC which they term as Congress it's no munya sankwasi asem no twam ye na nanon party sem ne on politics sem no makanse ba besi Akufo-Addo breso it is over. There's a paradigm shift. Our party is a national party. The doors are open to everybody from elsewhere is welcome, provided you are educated and fit to lead a new patriotic party and vote for you to go bring power and development to this very country of ours. And me see here me meet us so credit us saying and once my family phone pa I don't care whoever brought it from whichever region. I don't care. All we care for is development, easy access to whatever. Obi a person or America mudam pai.
But you know for anwasi why no be so abem ko for request be wasi.
Amobon pai say obi person tukwan ni nyina no. A proper management and development of the country into no be tukwan no. Na me dey twa me dey man no see form no. MP a wo free bole a wo gina parliament e ka che yan achemfo say senya joma ma na be yin su ma e o chebi anke ni mpleko ne no. Ye no anu bini pepe ye ne wo no president ni no nwan ma o dwan aboa kwasi ate se wo obia wo dasire mu a wo yi bini ye ne amuna mu yi eno wo nya front gina parliament say mo ma na be yin su ma e o chebi anya sanke ye ni mpleko aboa maboa o dwan ye tie fia ye mamu na mu yi kwasi ya ye koko na hwem na mu nya opportunity go gina parliament na ke ne ana mu yi na modidi ye ni hwie mu gina daka no mo twa picture.
So boy, we are the youth of Asin South, concerned youth of Asin South NPP. Yate say yen MP Reverend John Tim Fodwo oni Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia e kwaprabo a enne kra no mo ha omo free ano omo ko Asin Central omo free Asin South ye MP mpesu aso omo ko Asin Central ye ya nyanentie ene ne etwagu ne se ye nyanentie nso bio esisu dua ene se eye emabunu bi ewo Asin Central any constituency executives any polling station executives chairman Atakwame Nyampong eka ho mobilizing kofo chensi eye MP threaten my life. Yes. Now the way can say politics a game of interest. Obia baby opano yesi baby o dwan penu no de no fufu ye dey ebo. Na me pesi ya kache mo say o wadu kan ba ha ya na mo bone. Na essence o mo tinta su kokko akere wa Asin Central nti. Ye the signal way e dey ma won. Wo mo te damrama haban e dey akere yen. Yes. And into your swatico and the coho and the betrayal, and to your catcher, honorable Kennedy Japo, a compreko, so on the Muku and the Mukucheno. Now, and we are in here, sir, young MP, from Adanse, Basikosi, Takrabe, very MPP, calling so. Yes. Now, assistant to a assistant to Mabru, ultimately, I was at the Canada, and the brother. Yes. No, you're throwing your mama, sir. Or more within the 2 assistants, and then you get a massacre. You're no one because of the money quite. No, they can pay the assistant, because we do only in 2 or one local party, our Ghana, but be a one local, it's a new Abba. One more,
there may be say in politics, you know. By force say na betimi akosupport ni pa ba akọ ana interfere person obi ana na adwene e na nka pese ye ni nipa e individual obi betimi akosupport kan obi betimi akosupport Bawumia enti say MP age atumi so de ne mo be support e friend say Bawumia enye bone eye musu ana say eye den Bawumia ken ko ni kuro bam e friend say ken ko Bawumia kuro mu no mo ti say asem we bi wo ho yes, MPs be brain and support on no can no. Yanti say dey we bi da. so be the Kennedy for campaign. Emma youth na na delegate na attack na then yanko MP die okwa central mo attack no yes some sa na ekọ dia ene ye ne mo nche kra ye ne mo nche kra sadi we am na that musu na ye campaign bia ha na se musi aso dia mo baba beto ye
choboy ene de ni abre pa then e go see 21st century politics say na na wa mo dia anka sita watena so 24 good years anka olusu me awon di bi no problem na kwa mama MBC for nkoko
Yes.
oba asensa pa me bo constituency officers be 3 a ona bo support am ena Dr. Mahmoud Bamia e ba asensa ta na mo wa ha
Yes.
no mo wa
On the Giska.
ya be ma Minerals Commission ona bo nti for do na de no ko e bisa say ya be ma di ona bo kemechi ona bo nti for do ni enya ntokwa bia na Silebo deputy organizer neba ona bo nti for do na de no ko Cuba 7 good years ona doctor deputy na say coordinator mijima we am yokupa bisa say no mi si ya no obi de omo saka na
Dabi.
yeni abientia ana nti na policy say ona bo ken onimubi ade ekoso onimubi e wa orchestrated plan ona say na mo yesa me di ona bo ken we ya pa me di no we ya into politics into no be train ade na wako 6 good times for prime so na contest ba ko kra 24 good years ana be MP no sense you about chair and the Magana gas we need to organize a pe and dey ko Ghana gas me here no about chair organize space authority one go blow asia they can control us in asin south omo tumi chair dey e asin south can you chair ni pa ba ko pe what born e asin south ko about chair Ghana gas o chair ni pa ba ko a me here e ko about chair organize space authority what born wa so mo say e no mo dey Yadie ni na. Oye ti se bo ya. And again, your petition make. A petition the disciplinary committee. Say same way. Mo mo yen hwe. O mo tina so. Ana sa mo make ni sia. Esia dia de besi. Enye. Yeah.